Sir, I want you. You get mad?
Mad. Shad. What the fuck? Yeah. Lord. Lord, I can't take it no more. Give me money, woman, you give me before. Lord, I can't take it no more. Give me money, woman, you give me. After half, I take off the girl with some. Love over me and then take it for fun. Then we come back and we go talk to Blossom and she got left me too long money now run. Searching for a girl and we couldn't get none. When me find one, she say me have a pay down. Now we confused and we don't know if it's done. And I'm going to come back and go and you kickstart. Lord, we can't take it no more. Give me money, woman, you give me before. Lord, we can't take it no more. Because I'm afraid to be here. The first girl gone and them say I feel me fault. And the